How to use Google Pay on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Google Pay on iPhone. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Next, tap on the Get button to explore available options. Then tap on Find Apps for Wallet. Scroll down to see a list of compatible apps. Look for Google Pay in the list. After that, go back to the Wallet app and tap on the plus icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see an option for adding a new card. Select the option for Google Pay. Now, tap on Continue to proceed. You will be prompted to add a payment method. Position your debit or credit card within the frame to scan it automatically, or you can choose to enter the card details manually. Once your card is added, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, and you will be ready to use Google Pay on your iPhone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.